If you're interested in turning a really quick and easy dish into something that's complex and takes a long time, this recipe's for you.
Now I'm intrigued.
We're making zucchini raviolis in this video. Ravioli is one of those dishes that you can just like get frozen, get already pre-made, but no, these ones are, you gotta show off here, make it homemade.
You know how much I can't stand finicky stuff, so I can already tell I'm not gonna like this. Sorry, honey. Not for me.
This is a Ninja Woodfire recipe, and I love this recipe because you're making your own sauce. It's getting going in the Ninja, and then you get to go over and make the raviolis here.
Okay, so multi-layered recipe here.
Yes.
You're going, things are making, things are happening.
That's why I thought this was gonna be a quick recipe. I was like, you're doing stuff as stuff is being cooked, but it didn't quite pan out that way.
Yeah, but it looks like you got are these tomatoes from your garden? Because this could totally be a tomato from your garden recipe.
Not yet. It's not tomato seasoned yet here. I wish it was, but these are just regular tomatoes from the store, and this is actually one of my favorite ingredients these days. It's called a Bomba sauce, and it's super flavorful. It has a lot of umami flavors to it. It's very spicy. It has some eggplant in there. It's delicious.
I love that stuff.
It's already a flavor enhancer.
And already I feel like you could just cook this up on its own. I'd be game.
Yeah.
Get some bread, put it on some sauce, put it on some past, put it on some riz on there.
Ooh, riz would be good too. Okay, so it goes in like that, looking beautiful. Look at all those gorgeous colors of the cherry tomatoes there.
This is a summer dish. Already I can tell this is like a using what you have in the garden kind of dish. I love that.
Okay, so then now here's where we get into our dump and stir component, okay? So these raviolis are going to be filled with ricotta cheese, all the traditional requirements of a nice ravioli.
Okay, so is the goal here to go no carb? Because that doesn't seem to be your style.
It's not. I love a carb, but these are for people who are wanting to go like carb-free, maybe the keto people. I don't know if the filling is keto. I'm not sure about that.
Yeah, but if you want to go low carb, for sure, I could see it, yeah.
Or gluten-free. These are also gluten-free. And so we're basically just mixing all the filling inside. So this is a delicious, cheesy, garlicky, flavorful what?
Don't think you pulled a fast one on me with
the
garlic.
garlic?
No, you didn't. You were like trying to like talk over
Okay, but there's fresh garlic in the sauce, okay? That's where you want to use your fresh garlic.
But then you just wrecked it by adding the jarred stuff.
But it's easier. Leave me alone. Okay, so these are Thai chilies. These are not for the faint of heart.
Those are spicy.
Those will blow your head off.
Yeah, those are really, and you got a lot there too.
I was coughing a lot during this.
Good thing you're wearing gloves though, because I feel like I always forget, and then I'm left with like the spicy hands, gut in the eyeballs.
I wear contacts, and it happens to me every time.
And what is this a jalapeno?
What?
What is that?
This is basil.
I know we were going with a spicy theme here. I took it in like
You need to get contacts.
Yeah, I do. That looks delicious.
Okay, just that alone smelled absolutely incredible.
I'm loving the colors, okay? You have heavy on the salt.
Very heavy on the salt.
Yeah.
Okay, because we're going to be using zucchini in this dish.
Okay.
And zucchini tastes like nothing.
And watery.
If you don't add a lot of flavorful things, a lot of salt, it tastes like nothing. It's a spongy, nothing flavor.
Zucchini is one of those things, like tofu, like lamb. It's one of those things that really divides people.
What are you saying about lamb?
What are you saying about tofu?
But I didn't say anything about tofu.
I'm saying it's one of those ingredients that people either love it or they hate it. And in my opinion, it's because they haven't had it made the right way. It's like venison.
Agreed.
So lamb is very like that. Tofu is very much like that. And a lot of people are like, ew, zucchini. They don't like it because they've never had it made right. And yes, I love these strands that you're doing here.
This is the way, if you don't like zucchini, this is the way that will get you to like it, okay?
Yeah.
This little contraption here was $1. It was from the dollar store. Actually, I think it was less than that because it came in a pack of 3. And basically, you're just peeling a slice of the zucchini. And for each bundle, we're going to go with 3 slices here.
Oh.
Okay, you're going to put in a little dollop of the ricotta and fold it over.
Ooh, so you're making like a little beautiful little package with the filling inside.
Exactly. Or is that not the cutest little edible bundle you've ever seen?
It is, and okay, I don't normally like recipes that are finicky, but I would do this because of how cute that is.
Yeah, I agree. So at first I was like, this is gonna not take that long. But it did take a long time, but I wasn't that mad at it because they were so good. They're so cute.
And once you're at it, I feel like you can see the end game here. You got your eye on the prize. You're like, these are going to be cute.
Totally.
They're going to be cool. They're going to taste good.
Exactly. You know that's tasting good.
And that looks really, that's like presentation-wise, off the charts, honey.
I think so too, because you got the green color of the zucchini. You have the beautiful red chilies on the inside. Now, if you don't like spicy food, you don't have to put that in there, but I really think that makes it come alive.
Yeah, and I feel like texturally, this is going to be a sensation.
Okay, look at, after 29 minutes, look at this sauce. It's a fire roasted tomato sauce with the fresh garlic.
Thank you. You need it. You need fresh garlic. And I did see you put it in there, honey. I appreciate it.
Thank you. Thank you. And I put a lot in there.
Look how beautiful.
Are they not so cute? I was so impressed with myself as I was going.
Those are beautiful.
Okay, and then so my idea here was smash down the sauce, get them all burst open, get those seeds out, the juice out, and then we're just putting the little bundles on top.
Nestling them in.
Yes, nestling them in.
Bed.
You got it, baby. You got it.
Those look gorgeous. And this is one of those recipes that does take some effort, but sometimes the effort is worth it.
It's worth it, but look, here I literally was like, okay, this is getting effort. You know how you always start something and you're like, I'm going to give it nice spacing, and then by the end, you're like, just talk it wherever there's room.
Because you're like, I don't care, I'm not getting a bigger pan.
No, and you're kind of limited with the Ninja, but that's why I like it too, because that's just a regular size pan. You don't need to buy specific things for this grill.
No, exactly. And you can, if you, in the Ninja's defense, if you wanted to, you could use a bigger pan. You have
slightly bigger, but I didn't want to clean another pan.
Now, you didn't use wood fire flavor here?
No, but you could use wood fire flavor. I just didn't want to, but this recipe actually, I don't know why I didn't, because that would actually have been perfect. But look, that's only 15 minutes of them in there.
Ooh, they're
and
so
look,
bubbly.
The sauce is all like gushing around it. It's soaked into there. You're telling me that that's not, if you don't like zucchini, you're telling me you wouldn't love that.
No, you totally would love that. And I gotta say, I'm surprised you didn't put some more cheese on the top and make it more like a lasagna vibe.
I know, why didn't I? What the heck is wrong with me?
Like, you're always adding more cheese.
I know. Excuse me?
You
Am
always
I
add more
heavy-handed with my cheese?
Yeah, I think you
Am
are.
I? More than normal?
Yeah, no, not more than normal, but you always, like, that to me seems like Birdie would put cheese on top of that.
I know. What the heck was Marty think? I think because I had spent so much effort on making those little bundles of raviolis, I was like, you're going to look at them. You're going to see this. They're not going to be covered up with the cheese.
And I could see that.
That's probably my logic. I can't remember.
Okay, so to me, these are like a fancier version of a vegetable lasagna. That's what it reminds me of. It's like not deconstructed.
So you say that's more lasagna than ravioli?
To me, I wouldn't call it a ravioli. That's why I hate when people say like zucchini noodles. That's just spiralized zucchini.
That ain't a noodle. Okay.
In the same way that ain't a ravioli.
But I get the logic there, because a ravioli is a bundle. It's a dough bundled with stuff on the inside. No, so I get it.
That ain't a dough.
But no, this is more lasagna.
Don't try to pull a fast one on me now.
I'm not trying to pull a fast one on you.
No, those look fantastic.
Oh my goodness, they were so good.
It's giving vegetable lasagna.
It
and
totally
I'm into
is giving that. It was the basil really made this come alive. The tomatoes and the zucchini together, so delectable. And the zucchini, because it was shaved so thin, the texture, it's like you put it in your mouth and it just melted. You barely even have to chew it.
Ooh.
Which I love, a recipe that you don't even have to chew.
Yeah, it's like half digested when it gets to you on the plate.
And whenever we're talking, we are not chewing hardly at all anyway. We're talking, we're choking, we're just too excited to be talking.
Yeah, please make these for me. Veganize, make them for me because I want them.
Don't you think that these could be veganized?
Oh, 100%.
Instead of the ricotta on the inside, you could use a tofu.
Yeah, you have tofu ricotta.
That
absolutely.
would actually go delectable vegan.
Okay.
All right, let's maybe see, honey. Maybe Key's gonna be coming up with that in the next video. I'd be there for it.
Good. I love it, honey. Great job.